Hello, welcome to the knynman Raj YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how we trim toenails on parrots. We're going to go through the process. I have Jim here with me, and he's going to do the trimming. I'm going to do the holding, and we're going to show you how we do it, and hopefully no one gets hurt. Okay, next we're going to do the toenails, and I'm going to hold one foot while Jim works on the other. Kind of keep one foot occupied, and it makes it easier when he decides to.
I keep out the septic, or as I like to call it, stop leak in case I get into it quick. These toenails are just like a dog's toenails. They're very long, and they have a quick in them. Come here, buddy. Come on, buddy. This doesn't hurt them, it just stresses them a little bit. I'm only taking about 1/8 of an inch off at a time, and I look to make sure that I'm not getting into the quick. This does not hurt them. He's just taking yelling to be yelling. Ooh, come on, buddy. One more. That's one foot. Foot number 2. That's okay, George. This guy is a double yellowhead Amazon. I got him about 15 years ago from a friend of mine, Rick Chicago. He was actually born in Tucumcari, New Mexico.
We go through this process about 3 times a year, and we've been doing this for the last 15 years.
It's okay, buddy. You're almost done.
These birds don't like me.
Ooh, one more and then you're all done. This is the hard one. Get down there into this. And his nails are trimmed down nice. Hello, this is Flaco, my Red Lord Amazon. And today we're going to take and show you how to trim beaks, nails, and wings. My friend Roger.
Sorry about that.
No blood.
No blood.
Everything's fine.
No harm, no foul.
Let's see. Well, let's take and trim the nails on this gal. This is Flaco, my Red Lord Amazon, and we'll do some toenails. I have a good. Oh, that hurt a little bit, Roger?
Yeah, just a little. Not too bad. You can live with it.
Well, see, they're not too.
We can live with it.
She's not in too bad a shape.
Easy.
Oh, come on, girlfriend.
Okay.
1, 2. Oh, come on, kiddo.
And all the time, the only pressure I'm putting is underneath her lower beak. I have no pressure around her neck at all.
I want this guy. I want this guy right here. But you ain't giving it up too easy. They are very, very strong. Okay, that's that foot. This foot here, she broke some time ago, and you could take and see it in this nail. This foot here, it's just kind of bent up. Just hold on, Rod. It's easier to do it this way. I'll try to get you so you don't. Ouch, that's gotta hurt. Okay, I want this leg. Oh boy, yes, I do got it.
I try to keep the other foot occupied while he's working on the one.
Okay, 2 more. Got him. Okay, she didn't need much done to her nails. She does pretty good with the perches and stuff I have. Well, we're back. This is Mufasa, my African Gray, and we're going to take and trim his nails. We just got done trimming his beak and making it all nice and clean. We're going to start with his nails. And Raj, as long as you got a hold of him, I'll just do one at a time.
That's fine.
There's one. Ooh. Did he? Oh, you look good. There's 2. We'll go to his other foot. Seeing as this is the way he's got himself set up. Stop, quit kicking. And I'm only taking about 1/8 of an inch off at this time. They aren't very long, but if I don't do the maintenance, they'll get long and then get out of hand, and that makes it even more tough. How do you do? Come on, stop. Okay, he's okay.
Got one more on this other foot.
Yeah, I got 2 more. I got
on
2 on each foot. I only did the tops, I believe. Let me do the bottom.
Are you bleeding, or is he bleeding? You got blood on you. I'm just checking.
That was.
Did you get bit there or something?
No, that might be just me.
War wound.
That's a scratch. Somebody's gonna bleed a little bit when you do this. And that foot is done. Let's go to this another one. You can let go of the towel there, girlfriend. This is Mufasa, son of Simba, the king of the jungle. He is approximately 10 years old, and he's a rescue bird also. Ooh, did I? No, you're fine.
I don't see any blood. He's just whining. You're all right.
Nope. Okay, one more. I need a new pair of turbers. Okay, that's his nails. He looks in pretty good shape, did we? Nah. What you got there? Oh, that's you bleeding.
Is that me bleed?
No. We got a little bit of a leaker.
Act 2, we got to check and see who's bleeding.
There, a little bit of septic, holding on with a little bit of pressure. And there we go. He's in good shape. Well, hi there. We're back. This time we have the wild one. This is my yellow-naped Amazon. Her name is Bobo, and she does not like this.
Okay, we're gonna do her nails. This is Bobo, and she's getting her nails done.
Don't hit me, girlfriend. God damn it.
I'm trying to grab that way.
Yeah, she keeps it. I don't want to take it. 1. Ooh. 2. Oops, I want that foot back. Here, girlfriend, I know you don't like it. I don't like doing it either.
Okay, Bobo. You're okay.
Okay, that's 1 foot. 4 more down. Well, this one, when I got her, she was missing a toenail. She's not in too bad a shape, actually. She was already missing a toenail, so we've only got to do 3 on this side. You can see she had a string wrapped around it, and she almost lost her toe. But
all right, so
the previous owner.
So all the nails are done.
Nails are done.
No blood, and we're good to go.
Turn her over and stand her on my hand.
There you go, Bobo.
Come here, girlfriend.
Good job, Bobo. All right. Hey, thanks for tuning in to the knynman YouTube channel. Hope you learned something today. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for helping.
Hey, buddy.
All right. And I also want to say thanks to Matt, the Southwest Backpacker, behind the camera. You did a great job. Thank you, buddy.
Say hi, Bobo. Hello. Little Stevie Wonder. Are we superstitious? That's my baby.
Thanks for watching.
Bye now.